See how it pushes across the first couple threads there? And these are bad. Alright, so I'm going to heat coil that one, 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 that one. There you go. 2, 4, 6, 8. And I did one there, 9. There you go. 8 out of 12 would be new. One's going to be used. One they already did. It's only 2 here left that are, these 3 here are the only ones that are left that I don't have to work on. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and set up to heat coil these. Alright, let me get set up, we'll be back. Okay. The drill is a 13/64. That's what was on the container over here. Right there. 13/64. So this is our tap drill. We got our tap. We're going to go over here in the milling machine, do it over here. The head sits flat on top of this surface, as long as the exhaust spigot is over the edge like it should be. I can go ahead and do that. The other option, I can hang it off the other side. And work on the blind side over here. And off that surface. So there's 2 different ways of doing it. Either way, it's going to get done. So this way is a little better this way because I can hold it down here and drill it here. So you got more support. So let me just kick this thing way over here like this. When you get over toward those edge. These ones over here, it's going to move back and forth like this. Okay, so I got to crank this one down a little bit further here. Get over where we need to be. Okay, I have some room where I can move my head around a little bit. It's fine. Alright, so we need some air for our big air chuck up there to work. So I can go over here and hook up the air line. It's unplugged because it leaks. There it goes. That doesn't leak. That up there leaks. This valve leaks, not the regulator. This here leaks because I replaced that. Now this leaks up in here. Right now it's not leaking, but it will. Okay, next thing is we need our Q stick here. Rubber side down. Got to turn on our phase converter over here. There you go. That's what they make those miniature Q tips for, isn't it? Alright. Now we got power. There you go. Full phase power. Alright, so now I gotta do is get our drills in here and drill it through. Then we get to do some tapping. And that humming you're hearing is not me. It is the phase converter making noise. I'm sure the camera's going to really pick that up really good. Alright. Didn't go that far. This one you got to be careful how deep you go with it. Down until it stops. No extra. on that rim. Maximizing my table length. Alright. Okay, that's done. So this one here is one you got to be careful on your depth, so you don't go very deep. So you look at the hole in there; it shouldn't be too deep. All right, we'll be right back.